Hello traders, this is me Naveen Sharma and I welcome you all to this new video on my channel The Trader Naveen। तो आपके साथ भी क्या ऐसा होता है कि आप मार्केट के अप ट्रेंड को या रिवर्सल्स को या डाउन ट्रेंड को समझने में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है। ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर क्या होता है, मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट क्या होता है, ये सारे टर्म्स को समझने में आपको दिक्कत होती है और साथ ही साथ अपने चार्ट्स के ऊपर इनको इम्प्लीमेंट करने में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी होती है। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम इन्हीं सारे कंसेप्ट्स को इन डिटेल इन डेप्थ स्टडी करने वाले हैं। हम देखने वाले हैं कि ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, प्राइस डिलीवरी क्या होती है, प्राइस क्यों मूव करती है, प्राइस कैसे मूव करती है। ठीक है, इन सारे चीज़ों के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे। साथ ही साथ हम बात करेंगे कि मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट क्या होता है और चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर क्या होता है। उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि फ्रैक्टैलिटी इन द प्राइस क्या होती है, फ्रैक्टैलिटी ऑफ मार्केट क्या होती है। तो ये सारे टॉपिक्स आज की वीडियो के डिस्कशन के पार्ट होने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी रुकावट के। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि वाई डज़ द प्राइस मूव। ओके, अगर प्राइस को मूव करना है तो वाई इज़ द प्राइस मूविंग। सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वाई प्राइस मूव। ओके, सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग इन मार्केट। ओके, किसी भी शेयर की, किसी भी इंडेक्स की, किसी भी कमोडिटी की प्राइस वाई इज़ इट मूविंग एट ऑल। ओके, क्यों ये प्राइस ऊपर नीचे एवरी टाइम इट इज़ मूविंग ऑन अ 1 minute टाइम फ्रेम, ऑन एन आवरली टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, सो देर आर 4 प्राइमरी रीज़न विच आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड कि इन रीजन्स की वजह से द प्राइस इज़ एक्चुअली मूविंग। द फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ द प्राइस मूव्स to seek price moves to seek areas of liquidity. Okay, price is moving because it is seeking the areas of liquidity where there are obvious areas of liquidity, where there are buy side liquidity, there is sell side liquidity. Okay, the price moves to hunt for those areas. Okay, the price is moving in those areas. Secondly, the price moves to the areas, price moves to the areas of imbalances. Okay, to rebalance them. Okay, this is the second thing you need to consider in your trading, that the price, if at all it is moving, then it is either moving to the areas of liquidity or it is moving to the areas of imbalances where there has been certain displacements in the price, certain big moves, and then it is going to fill them again, it is going to rebalance them. Many times we see that the gaps are traded through, then the gaps are traded through again. Okay, that is a basic thing to understand, that the price is moving to rebalance them. Third reason the price moves is the price is moving to areas of equilibrium. Now I will just write EQ so you understand it is the equilibrium. Price is moving to areas of equilibrium. So there might be a price range you might be analyzing, then it might be happening that the price is in a premium area. Now what is premium and discount, we will consider them for another discussion topic for another video, but here you just understand that the price can move to the areas of equilibrium to reprice at the fair value. Okay, now it is not the fair value gap, it is the fair value in term of the price, that in the premium or in the discount the price might not become fair value, so it moves to the area of equilibrium. Now the fourth reason, the final reason I think the price moves is to engineer liquidity. Okay, the price moves to engineer liquidity. So if the price is not moving to the areas of liquidity, then it is creating the areas of liquidity. Sometimes you might have seen that the price goes in the choppy range where it is creating both the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. That is the reason that it is creating or engineering liquidity. So these 4 are the main reason the price is moving. Now we will be deviating from these. Okay, we will not be going into depth that how to identify the liquidity areas or how to identify the areas of imbalances which can be rebalanced. We are not going in depth, we just want to understand that yes, these are the reasons why the price is moving at all. Now we are going to consider why the price, how the price is moving. Okay, so the next thing you need to understand is how is the price moving. So actually I have talked about this thing, that how the price is moving in my previous videos. So I hope you can go and check out that video. I will give the video's link in the description box, and you can click here above somewhere to watch that video. But basically I would tell you that the price moves from a reason of accumulation or the consolidation, then it can expand, and then it can retrace a little bit, then expand again, then it can reverse. So these are some basic concepts you need to understand. What is consolidation, what is expansion or a markup phase, what is the distribution phase, what is the markdown phase. Okay, I will drop the video's link in the description box, you can go and watch. Now we will be coming to our topic of the discussion, which is about the break of structure, change of character, market structure shift, which are important in analyzing the charts on any time frame. Then we will talk about the fractality of the market. Now we know that the market structure, it has an uptrending market, it has a downtrending market. So whenever you are looking at an uptrending market, it looks something like this. It makes a high, then it makes a low, then it breaks this high and makes a higher high, it makes a higher low, it makes another higher high, it makes a higher low, it makes another higher high, and then it breaks this higher low and then makes a lower high, and then it just goes on the downtrend. Okay, so this is an example of an uptrending market where you see the price is actually the price is actually moving in an uptrend. Okay, so here this is an example of an uptrend. You can see price is making higher highs and higher highs. So I'm not going to write every higher high here, so I will just mention that these are your higher highs. Okay, so now it is an important thing to understand that this is your high, this is your low, this is your higher high, this is your higher low, this is your higher high, higher low, and higher high. So what is this? Is an uptrending market. This is your uptrending market. Okay, this is the market structure of an uptrending market. It looks something like this. We are going to obviously look at it on the chart. Okay, but right now we are going to understand it in this format only. Now here I am going to introduce you to the concept of change of character. कि change of character होता क्या है? So अगर आप सिर्फ इतने प्राइस को एनालाइज करोगे from here to here, it looks very clean. It looks that yes, price is making high, price is making low, then a higher high was made, then a higher low, then higher high and a higher low. It looks very clean. Okay, clean in the sense that there is nothing you can do about it, it just is making this thing. But then you see that this higher low was broken. Okay, this higher low gets broken. So whenever in an uptrending market the market structure gets shifted, okay, or the market structure is actually changing, it gives you a hint by breaking this higher low. And when this higher low is getting broken, that is known as the change of character, because the earlier the character of the market structure was an uptrending market. Now with this break of higher low, you get your change of character. So it is that simple. Okay, जब भी आपका last higher low in an uptrending market structure gets broken, that is your change of character. So let me write it down for you all so that you can take a screenshot and then save it in your wherever you want to save it. So let me just write it down here. When in uptrending market structure your recent higher low gets broken, then it is CHoCh, your change of character. Okay, I hope you are getting it right now. Ki what is your change of character? Now there is obviously some nitty gritty minute details which you need to consider. कि क्या होता है ना कि change of characters, this can sometime be, okay, I'm really sorry. Now what happens is this can sometimes be just a liquidity sweep. Okay, a liquidity sweep, ये बहुत बार क्या होता है कि एक liquidity sweep मात्र होता है और उसके बाद the price again goes up and makes another higher high. Okay, and then you get trapped. You said, okay, Naveen, it was a change of character, I planned a short trade over here, but I just got trapped because I put my stop loss here and my stop loss got hit. Okay, because you do not understand liquidity sweep, and obviously we are not going to discuss the liquidity sweep in this video, but I am going to give you a little more understanding of how to read that a change of character is a powerful. Okay, that is why I'm telling you that always analyze your charts on higher time frame, because higher time frame gives you a better idea whether it is a liquidity sweep or a change of character. Now, a change of character must occur with a big displacement, okay, with a big displacement or an imbalance candle, okay. We are going to look at it on chart obviously, but it should, this candle should not look like this, okay. The candle is closing above this, but there is a wick, okay. It should not look like this. There should be no wick giving you a change of character. There should be a body of the candle closing, okay, with a big candle which is also an imbalance candle. There should be no wick there. There should be a closing below the higher low. That is going to give you an idea that this is a change of character. Then the market can obviously pull back into these areas of imbalance that I told you right now why the price will move up again, because there is some area of imbalance here, or might be there is some area of liquidity pending here which the market is going to seek. Okay, the price can move to this area of imbalance and then again goes back down here. Now this is your break of structure, okay. Price gave you a change of character. So you have now this idea that yes, earlier the price was in the market structure of an uptrending market, but it has given me a change of character by breaking this higher low. Now it can go in a downtrend. So how do you confirm that whether it will start a downtrend on that time frame or not, is by looking at the break of structure. If it gives you the, if it breaks again this high lower low, because this is a lower low which is formed here, okay, lower low, because it was a higher low, then this is a lower low, or you can consider it a low because initially it is formed, okay. You can consider it as a low, okay, sorry, you can remove it. This low was formed, so it breaks this low and makes another lower low, okay. So this is your break of structure, this is your change of character. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा अभी तक कि पहले के मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर को you need to look at the left, okay. पहले मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर क्या था, whether it was डाउन ट्रेंडिंग और एन अप ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर. देन यू नीड टू सी कि रीसेंट हायर लो आपका ब्रेक हुआ है क्या वो किसी बिग डिस्प्लेसमेंट या बिग इम्बैलेंस कैंडल के साथ ब्रेक हुआ है या एक लिक्विडिटी स्वीप मात्र है, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपको देखना है कि एक रिट्रेसमेंट आया है और रिट्रेसमेंट के बाद वो लो जो रिसेंटली चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर के बाद बना है वो ब्रेक हुआ है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. आई थिंक आपको ये चीज़ें क्लियर हुई होगी ना. अगर आप इसी चीज़ को रिवर्स कर दोगे ना, क्योंकि जब आप डाउन ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में देखोगे तो आपको इसको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा, तो वो आप अभी हम कर लेते हैं. आई थिंक आपको ये सारी चीज़ें अभी क्लियर हुई रहेगी, ओके. नाउ लेट मी जस्ट पुट इट हियर. Now if you just revert it, let me just invert it. Where is the inversion, invert scale? Yeah, so if you look at it, the price was in a downtrend, okay. Price was making a low, a high, so price made a low, price made a low, then a high, then a lower low, then a lower high, then again a lower low, then a lower high, and then lower low. But you see, after making this lower low with a big imbalance candle, the price actually makes another high, okay, breaking this lower high. So this is your change of character, because earlier the character or the structure of market was the downtrending market. Proper example, lower low, lower high, okay. Then you get this change of character. Price takes a retracement into the areas of equilibrium or the imbalances or the liquidity areas. Why does the price move? Okay, then it moves up again, giving you a break of structure and making another higher high, okay, giving you that the structure has shifted or the market is shifting its character. That is known as the change of character and your break of structure. आई थिंक आपको अभी तक ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होगी. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा सिंपल कुछ नहीं है. अब आप इस डेफिनेशन को क्या कर सकते हो ना, रिवर्ट कर सकते हो कि when in uptrending market structure your recent higher low gets broken, then it is your change of character. But then if you come into a downtrending market structure, let me write down it here. When in downtrending market structure, your recent lower high gets broken, then it's your change of character. So your lower high gets broken, then it is your change of character. The rule of thumb is that with the candles which are breaking your lower high or the higher low should not be just a sweep candle which is going to sweep the liquidity. It should be a big candle giving you a displacement. Okay, I think आपको ये सारी चीज़ें अभी clear हुई होगी. Now let me just delete all these things and remove the drawings from here so that we can talk about something else. आई होप कि आपको अभी तक ये सारी चीज़ें जो मैं आपको समझा रहा था वो आपको समझ में आई होगी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट दीज थिंग्स ऑन द चार्ट कि चार्ट के ऊपर इन चीज़ों को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे. लेट मी जस्ट so we are going to look at the Zomato right now. We can look at this chart is of the Zomato. Let me just hide the volumes bar here. So yeah, this is the Zomato, and let us analyze this price leg and this price leg. What is actually happening here? So if you look at the price, it was a high, then it makes a low, it makes another high, then it makes a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, again a lower low is made. Then you see the price opens gap up and a big displacement candle comes in. Okay, now what is this? This is your change of character because your recent lower high gets broken. If you look at this, this was your recent lower high, but not only this, it breaks two recent lower highs. These were your lower highs, and this big imbalance candle just breaks this. Okay, and if you look at this, the price never comes back because it does not want to seek these areas. The price wants to look at these liquidity areas and wants to sweep these areas, and the price just moves up. Okay, giving you a break of structure every time it is moving up. It is breaking a high, it is giving you a break of structure. So this is your change of character right here, and this is your break of structure right here. Okay, I'm really sorry. आई थिंक आपको ये चीज़ समझ में आई होगी कि यहाँ पर चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर क्या है और ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. ओके, सो दिस राइट हियर इज योर चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर. नाउ एवरी टाइम दिस इज ब्रेकिंग अ हाई इज योर ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, नाउ लेट मी जस्ट शो यू एन एग्जाम्पल इन एन अप ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट. ओके, सो इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस, या हियर आपको एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट समझाने वाला हूँ कि अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पर प्राइस हायर हाई बनाते हुए जा रहा था. प्राइस मेड हाई, लो, हायर हाई, लो, हायर हाई, लो, higher high, low, higher high. Then you see that this higher low gets broken. But what did I tell you? यहाँ पर आपको big को displacement candle should be there. So this was just a liquidity sweep. Okay, this just swept the liquidity here and then moved up again. Okay, breaking these high again and giving you a break of structure. Okay, giving you continuation in the uptrend. So this is an example of a liquidity sweep right here. We are not going to dive deep into what is liquidity sweep, but this is an example of liquidity sweep here. It sweeps these lows and then moves up higher again. Okay, so yeah, now here you see a prime example of change of character with a big displacement candle. This higher low gets broken and then the market structure is shifted. Your change of character is also known as the market structure shift, because I use that term intermittently, because the change of character I use on the higher time frame. Market structure shift I look at the lower time frame whenever I am hunting for these liquidity sweep kind of areas. So these terms can be used interchangeably. Okay, नाउ आई थिंक आप लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होगी कि मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट क्या होता है, ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर क्या होता है. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं फ्रैक्टैलिटी ऑफ द मार्केट की. ठीक है, कि फ्रैक्टैलिटी क्या होती है. फ्रैक्टैलिटी ऑफ द मार्केट इज दैट यू गो ऑन दी एनी टाइम फ्रेम यू वांट टू ट्रेड. आपको अगर 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पर ट्रेड करना है, यू गो ऑन द 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. आपको 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पर ट्रेड करना है, यू गो ऑन द 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम. Any time frame you choose, the things that we are discussing are going to be on every time frame. That is the fractal nature of the market. The price leaves its footprint. Price अपना footprint हर time frame पर छोड़ता है. ठीक है, if the price is in uptrend, it is going to leave that footprint in the higher time frame, in the lower time frame. Okay, so the things which you are looking for that. ऐसा नहीं है कि change of character या break of structure या market structure shift सिर्फ हायर टाइम फ्रेम पर काम करेंगे. दे आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन लोअर टाइम फ्रेम्स, 5 minute टाइम फ्रेम, 1 minute टाइम फ्रेम. यू गो एनीवेयर. Let's look at this fractality of the market. So this is the higher time frame, and you look at this, you have a break of structure here. This high gets broken, sorry, this high gets broken, you have a break of structure here. Now you look at this, this is the major higher low which was formed on the daily time frame, and it has got broken here. But whether it is a significant break, because there is no big displacement and the candle is even closed above. Okay, so there is no big displacement right now, so it can just be a liquidity sweep. So I'm telling you that you go on any time frame and analyze the chart, these things are going to be everywhere, because that is known as the fractal nature of the market. Okay, अब फ्रैक्टल नेचर के ऊपर हम इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी कोई बात नहीं करने वाले, बिकॉज यू गो ऑन द 15 minute टाइम फ्रेम एंड यू विल लुक, okay, that the thing is actually accurate. The price is in uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. This higher low gets broken down, okay, and then you see that big displacement coming in, then there is a break of structure here. So this is your change of character, and this is your break of structure. Okay, so you can mark these like this is your change of character, CH or CH, then this is your break of structure, BOS. Okay, then again this is your break of structure. Price keeps on breaking the structure to the downside, giving you that this is a downtrending market right now. Then price sweeps these areas of liquidity. Okay, this is not your change of character, because this is your higher low. Okay, this is this is your lower high, and you might think that this is your change of character, but it is not, because it is just a liquidity sweep. There is no candle closing above it. Fractality of the market, it is valid on higher time frame, it is valid on the 15 minute time frame. Okay, you cannot trade this thing just thinking that this is a breakout coming here. Okay, because it is just giving you a liquidity sweep, and then you see the selling comes off. So that is all for this video. I hope आप लोगों को break of structure, change of character, market structure shift, fractality of the market, why is price moving, how to read the uptrending market, and then look at the structure shift, how टू डू दैट. आई होप आप लोगों को ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपके माइंड में कोई कंसेप्ट है, कोई टॉपिक है जिसके ऊपर आप चाहते हो कि मैं वीडियो बनाऊं, तो डू कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक श्योर दैट अ वीडियो कम्स अप ऑन दैट टॉपिक. आई वुड ऑल्सो रिप्लाई टू योर ऑल कमेंट्स. सो या, and also give a thumbs up on this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get notification for more such videos, share it with all your friends. Okay, until then, bye bye guys, thank you for watching this video.